no choice but to trust this as we go into the void. We are standing, staring into empty space, asking all our questions, answers we can't trace. Is this all there is? Is this all there is? I feel the waves of the change reflect on everything we know. How do you stand out from the infinite? The rate of growth is hard to keep up with. Under a diamond sky, everyone wants to shine. Under a diamond sky, everyone wants to shine. We are all connected to each other now, reaching new dimensions as we go into the void. Moments away from our one true destiny. Time won't slow down at all, like a bird says.